Hello church family, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. We are still on our journey of taking charge of our own health, and today I'm tackling an issue that so many people are desperate to know, but they don't have how to do it, and that is how to make your own activated charcoal. Okay, activated charcoal. How do you go by it? There are so many ways that you can use activated charcoal for, and I'll be addressing it step by step because I have to show you how I make the activated charcoal. It's gonna be in different parts because it takes time. You can't make activated charcoal in one day. We have to soak it. We have to do something, ferment it for 24 hours, and we have to wash it, dry it, and grind it, and show you how. So it's gonna be in different parts. So I want you to follow me. And some people will say, okay, how do I know which wood or which tree is best to make activated charcoal? You can make activated charcoal from so many trees. I'm going to be using neem tree. Okay, that's what I'm using today. You can also use orange tree. You can also use mango tree. You can even, especially those in North America, you don't know what to use, you can use coconut shell. Okay, you see the coconut shell? This is coconuts. I crack it into two. The shell, look at it. This I made charcoal out of it. Okay, you just keep it in your barbecue stand, whatever you make, and burn it, or you put it in something and burn it. You can get charcoal, okay, out of it. So you can use coconut shell. You can use charcoal in doing so many things. Charcoal can be, you can use it as medicinal purpose, for medicinal purpose. You can use it as your face masks, to brush your teeth, for poison, so many things. You can use it for so many things. So I'll show you how to make the activated charcoal, and also in the next videos too, I'll also show you what you can use those activated charcoal for. So I want you to please stay tuned. Very simple. You can make your own activated charcoal. Please don't buy into the myth, I cannot get this, I cannot how to make it. It's difficult to make. It's not difficult to make at all. You have to know what you are doing, and I want you to stay tuned and follow the step by step. So please follow me. Hello family, we are here again with activated charcoal. So let me show you the ingredient that I have here. I have three ingredients basically. One is just, but we still need that. We still need it. So let me show you. This is my charcoal. Okay, this is what you do with the charcoal. Don't get big. If you have your charcoal in big chunks, you have to crush it and get it in a little bit small sizes like this. Okay. So if you have like a really huge chunk about this big, no, you have to crush it so that you get it into not fine powder, but you get it into small, like a small wood chips. This is what you do. Okay, so once you have that, you need lemon. Okay, this yellow lemon. So let me show you how to because there is a ratio of how to mix the lemon juice and water. So there are three ingredients. You need your charcoal, chopped or maybe crushed into a little wood chips, your lemon, and water. Okay, this is what you do. You have to juice the lemon. So this is the ratio. If you have 1 cup of lemon, okay, if you have 1 cup of lemon, you pour it into a bowl. Then you get 2 cups of water. So 1 lemon equals 2 cups of water. So let's say you have 1 lemon. Some people, you can even do 3 cups of water, depending. Depending. Sometimes you can do 3 cups of water, between at least 1 lemon to, I like to use 1:2, or one lemon juice, 1 cup of lemon juice to 2.5 cup of water. Especially if I don't have much lemon, but you can even do 3 cups. So you can even have 1 cup of lemon juice and 3 cups of water. Or if you have enough lemon, it still works the same way. If you have enough lemon, if you have enough lemon, you can do 1 cup of lemon and 2 cups of water. So let's say this is my 1 cup. Okay, let's say this is my 1 cup of water. I pour it, okay, here into the lemon, into the charcoal, and I also pour 2 cups of water. So I would say this is 2 cups of water. 1, 2, okay, and give it a little stir. Make sure, the goal is to make sure that you have enough liquid around it, okay, enough liquid around it to soak the juice, okay. Make sure you just, the first time, you just use your spoon or something to make sure that everything it sinks under, and some of it is gonna float on top. It's gonna float on top, but you have to make sure that every bit of the charcoal is saturated, okay, with the juice, with the lemon water juice, okay, with these juices. So this is what you do. So once everything is done, you see, as you can see here, I hope you can see through my video, okay, what you do is you cover this, you cover it, set it aside for 24 hours. Please.
Hello family, we are back after 24 hours of soaking our charcoal in lemon juice, lemon water juice. You see, as you see, it looks really good. Every bit was saturated. So we are going to strain it. You have to really strain it well, okay. You have to first get all the liquid out, the lemon water juice out, before we rinse it. You have to really rinse it really good, because we don't want the taste of the lemon on it. Even though it was soaking it, it has done a job. It has been activated, okay. The lemon juice has activated the charcoal. Wash it really well. Run the water. If water is a problem for you, you can just fill a bucket, a bowl with water, and set it inside and rinse it really well, thoroughly, please, thoroughly, okay, as I'm doing here right now. You have to rinse it really thoroughly, because I have to make sure. And please look inside if you have, especially if you have some form of any bits or something. If you dry it outside, sometimes you may get a little leaf fall into it, you don't see. But once it get in contact with water, you are able to see if there's anything hanging around it, okay. So rinse it well, and dry it. Once you are done washing it, let it dry, and you are going to put it on something flat, just like I have here. If you can do it on a plate, I have something, it looks like a strainer, but it's a flat sheet that I'm drying. I dry my stuff on it because the holes in it helps any excess water to drain from it. But you can do it on a plate and keep turning it, okay. Keep stirring it. Maybe after a few hours in the sun, you have to stir it up, okay. So just as it is, that you see here. So now that we have dried it, this is how it looks dry. When you dried it, this is how it looks like, okay. Really dry. Please make sure, because we are going to blend it and store it nicely. Make sure that it's really dry. Please don't be in a hurry. Let everything dry back as it was before, in a dry form, okay. And look at it. If you dry it outside, you have to make sure that nothing, a leaf or something, fall into it. And so now this is the finished product. I have blended the charcoal, the dry charcoal that we got. This is how it looks. It looks really perfect. When you blend it like this, they can be used for so many things, which in my next video I will talk about how you can use this activated charcoal, okay. There are numerous ways that you can use activated charcoal. It's very helpful. Activated charcoal is something that everybody must have it around in the house, because it serves many uses. Really good, okay. It's nice and blended, and it's dry. That is why I said, when you are drying it, make sure that it's really dry, and blend it fine, so that it's easy to use in so many ways, in so many of the things that I'm going to share with you in the next video of how to use activated charcoal. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs